Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo. This ID Buzz comes with a 79 kilowatt battery and pushes out 340 PS. It is fully automatic and fully electric. This ID Buzz also comes in a beautiful deep black colour with a pearlescent finish. Starting with the front exterior features, this ID Buzz comes with IQ LED matrix headlamps, perfect for any weather condition. It also has a heated windscreen and electric heated powerful exterior mirrors for them cold mornings, and a front parking sensor for the added exterior safety when you are maneuvering the vehicle. This ID Buzz sits on 19-inch Tilburg bicolor alloy wheels. Moving around to the back for the rear exterior features, you have the rear wing doors that allows you to the loading area, and you also have a rear view camera and rear parking sensors for that extra bit of confidence when you're reversing and parking. Opening up the rear wing doors, you are greeted with a very spacious loading area that is fully wooden floor lined with a fabric lining on top. You also have a steel bulkhead at the front and plenty of room to put your equipment and belongings. You have twin sliding doors on either side of the vehicle, which gives you extra access to the loading area. This just makes it much more convenient and easy when you are parked on a side road and you need to get any one of your equipment and objects out of the van really quick. Moving to the front of the vehicle, you have a 3-seater passenger bench divided into a 1:2 ratio. The seats are covered in fabric basket cloth upholstery in titanium black. You also have a 12.9-inch infotainment system that is fully touchscreen. The infotainment system allows you to listen to your favorite radio stations. You can use the FM, DAB and AM stations, and you can also use the inbuilt navigation system. This just helps you on your journey and gives you really fast traffic updates. And you can connect your devices to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to listen to your own personalized music and to be able to answer calls. You also have a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel, which allows the driver to be able to control the volume, skip songs, use the inbuilt cruise control, and answer calls. That is it for this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo. Thank you for watching and goodbye.